what is asthma? Asthma is a reaction by the body to something which enters into the lung, which is undesirable. This reaction of the body is overly excessive. It harms the body. So when you look at the left side, we see the normal insides of a breathing tube of a human body. It's nice and thin walled, with a large amount of space available in the center for the air to pass through. My arrow is pointing there. There's a small, very tiny, thin, filmy layer of mucus around the lung to make the airway nice, moist and wet, such that the air passing through does not feel rough. But what happens is when something enters this airway, the airways react to protect themselves and they constrict. And when they constrict, the amount of space available in the center reduces, such that the amount of air passing through the lung reduces. The patient feels breathless. The second thing that happens is, because there is an undesirable substance entering inside the lung starts producing large quantities of mucus, which traps the particles which enter inside and then helps to bring it out in the form of a cough, in the form of phlegm. Now, whenever we injure ourselves, the first thing that happens is we have a swelling. Now, when the lungs are injured because of something foreign entering inside, there is a swelling of the walls of the lung, and you see the swollen lining here on the right hand side, and this results in even further reduction in the space available for the air to enter. Now, why does somebody wheeze? Just like for whistling, we need to pinch our mouth closed. Out here, when the airways are open, there is no sound when the air is passing through. But when it is pinched, that means they are closed, there is a whistling sound which we call as wheezing. And very often you can hear yourself wheezing when you have sudden change in the air temperature, like when you go from summers to winters, or from monsoons to winters, and from winters to spring.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.